Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to fix the error message, there was a problem resetting your PC on Windows. This is a common issue, but don't worry, there are a few simple methods that can help resolve it. Let's get started. If you encounter an error while trying to reset your Windows computer, the first thing you should try is using Command Prompt. Open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the command window opens, type reagentc/disable and press Enter. Wait until you see a message confirming that the operation was successful. After that, type reagentc/enable and press Enter. This step alone fixes the problem for many users. If the issue still isn't resolved, stay in Command Prompt and type sfc/scannow, then press Enter. This command scans your system for corrupted files and automatically repairs them. Make sure to wait until the scan reaches 100% before continuing. Once it's done, type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and press Enter. Allow this process to complete as it may take a few minutes. When finished, close Command Prompt and restart your computer. If resetting your PC still fails after restarting, open Settings, go to System, then select Recovery. From there, restart your computer using Advanced Startup. Choose Troubleshoot, then open Advanced Options and run Startup Repair. If needed, you can also select Reset this PC and choose the option to keep your files. And that's it. That's how you can fix the "there was a problem resetting your PC" on Windows. I hope this guide helped you solve the issue. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.